Nick, would you like to tell me what we're doing today?
We're gonna go watch the boys beat, who are they playing today?
Hoover.
Yeah.
Hoover in Huntsville.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. And we are already so proud of them. Like, they've done so well this year, especially after making it to round 3 last year and losing in 6A. It's been insane. They're in the Final Four for 7A, so they're really excited. We're all really excited. We got the graduation walk.
I'm not going.
You should be.
I should not be.
You're talking to your mommy?
Me, Madre?
I'm talking to my father.
Oh, your dad.
Yeah, my father.
It was close. Totoro. It's halftime right now. How are our guys doing?
Pretty good. They just gotta give it to Grant, and I think we're set.
Yep. Score prediction?
I think we can get one more. 2-0.
Nice. I like it.
Thank you.
Tyrus, I'm so sorry I didn't get that on video, but we all saw it.
That was insane.
Oh yeah!
Let's go, Grant.
Let's go Falcons! Let's go Falcons!
Sauce him up, Grant!
Let's go, Florence!
Three, two, 1.